Good morning, legends. It's Wednesday, April 23, and after Monday's slapdown, ES is clawing back with a clean gap up. We've got home sales and crude oil numbers coming in today. Let's walk through the key levels and game plan. But first, a recap of the previous day. Tuesday brought a solid retrace of Monday's drop, holding far above that B profile value area. Globex did not hesitate, and we've gapped up clean into the April 15th range, giving bulls something to chew on. Let's start with the 10-day volume profile. We are still one time framing down with value building inside the previous period value area, but we see a large low volume node sitting above the POC at 5,323. So let's zoom into the weekly structure. We gapped up above the value area high at 5,335, which corresponds with last week's value area low at 5,337. Solid confluence here. If ES pushes through and holds above 5,432, it's game on for the bulls. We have a low volume pocket sitting around 5,394, which could act as a springboard. The 2-hour delta chart shows us that delta remains supportive yesterday, with price holding above the weekly view up, punching above the second standard deviation right now. That is quite a big deal. And on our New York TPO, we see that Monday's B profile could not stop the bounce. ES tapped into Monday's range high at 5,262.50 and turned it into support. Now sitting at Friday's value area high, a weak open below 5,397 might signal temporary exhaustion. So let's jump into the most important one, our strike prices. We are printing a daily one-time framing up with the low at 5,171.75. Structure is shifting, strike prices are narrow, and we've got a Globex open gap below, so don't forget where the trapdoor is. For a game plan, our line in the sand is 5,380, which is a single print high and a major call open interest zone. Bullish above 5,380, we can target 5,400, 5,452, and the highs at 5,488. We can be bearish below 5,380, targeting 5,337, 5,275, and lastly 5,237. So guys, keep your eyes on that 5,380 to 5,400 zone. It is make or break. Home sales and crude data could whip things around a little, so stay nimble, know your line in the sand, and don't trade on hope. As always, hit that like button, drop a comment, and tap subscribe for your daily ES roadmap. Let's crush it. I'll see you tomorrow.